Hello viewers, in this quick video I'm gonna show you how to turn off the map location on Instagram. So let's get started. First, open your Instagram app. Then tap on Instagram Messenger. Then tap on map. Then tap on right corner setting icon. Then tap on no on don't share location. Then tap on until you turn it back on. After that, go to your phone settings. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Then tap on manage apps. Then search Instagram. Then tap on Instagram. Then tap on apps permission. Scroll down. Tap on location. Then tap on don't allow. After go back Instagram, and that's it. Your Instagram map location is now off. Don't forget like, share and subscribe for more Instagram tips. Thank you.